When I move, you move.
Okay, so you'll notice that this morning we started with music, and this song is going to help us to remember what we need to do with this decimal when we're dividing with decimals. I know a lot of you get nervous when we throw a decimal in, but really, once we follow the directions of the song, we're ready to divide like normal. And so our song, just like our song, we're going to go ahead and say, when I move, you move, just like that. Okay? And then once you've done that, you are done with your decimal. And so you'll notice when I moved the decimal here, I moved it one time. And so then I'm going to find the decimal in here and I'm going to move it one time. And just like that, I'm going to bring it to the top and then I'm going to forget all about the decimal. Now, in the first one, we moved it one time, but it all just depends on where the decimal is in your divisor. And so we'll look over here and again, we'll say when I move, and so I move 2 times here, you move 2 times, and just like that, I'm going to bring the decimal up to the top. And once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and divide like normal. So again, like in the video from yesterday, we're going to go ahead over here and we're going to write down our multiples. Now you can do it the way that I taught you, where you add +6 in the ones place and +2 in the tens place. And don't forget to carry when you have so for example, 6 plus 6 is 12. So you're going to have a 10. You're going to need to note that. And so it would be, you're just going to dash that there, put a 2 over here, and then 8. So you don't have a 1 to carry or a 10 to carry. And then 8 plus 6 is 14. So you're going to write your 4 there and put a little 1 right here. And then is 6 plus 4 is 10. Put your 1 over. 0 plus 6 is 6. And then 6 plus 6 is 12. Bring your 1 over. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. And then 4 plus 6 is 10. And remember, we're going to go up to times 10 because that's all we need. And then again, we're going to do 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're going to bring the 100 over. And the 100 is plus 0. So we're literally just going to bring the number down with us. And so 0 plus 2 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Bring down our 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. Bring down our 1. 7 plus, and then 8. Bring down your 1. 2 plus 8 is 10. And I know this line is a little weird, so we'll go ahead and fix that. Okay. So 10 plus 1 is 11, which is then going to make this a 2. And this is going to be 4 and 2. And so once you have that, all you're going to do is look over here. You obviously are going to look at the 36, and you can forget all about this decimal. You don't even have to think about it at all. So the 26 goes here, which means this is a 1. Bring down your 26. Subtract, that's 10. So now you're looking at 105. You're going to find, where does 105 fit in my number line over here? It fits right here between 104 and 130. I'm going to count up. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put my 4 here. I know that 4 times 26 is 104, which is why having that number line on the side is so helpful. So then 1, bring down my 19. Well, 26 doesn't go into 19, so I'm going to go ahead and put a 0 there with a remainder of 19. And the answer here is 1 4/10 with a remainder